The super sports car goes off-road, with the all-new Huracán Sterrato by MANSORY. Another Lamborghini derivative produced in limited numbers at the MANSORY factory is transformed into a highly exclusive vehicle that can be customized according to the customer's wishes and once again impressively reflects the slogan "MANSORY makes you faster everywhere." The Huracán Sterrato by MANSORY is a technical and visually perfect eye-catcher. All body parts of the breathtaking super sports car off-roader are made entirely of carbon, giving the vehicle the powerful, harmonious and impressive appearance that characterizes every MANSORY product. The front view of the vehicle is characterized by an ultralight full carbon bonnet. The front section is also supported by individual components made of visible carbon, thus completing the front design of the Huracán Sterrato by MANSORY. The side line of the vehicle is dominated by full carbon body extensions at the front and rear. The full carbon engine compartment cover, together with the full carbon rear spoiler, forms the transition to the rear of the vehicle. At the rear, there is a full carbon rear diffuser that completes the sporty and powerful character of the Huracán Sterrato by MANSORY when viewed from behind. The impressive 610 horsepower and 560 Nm of engine power delivered by the Huracán Sterrato by MANSORY are the two basic figures of the engine. Both values, it ensures that the appropriate driving performance is always available, both on and off-road. The acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour is just 3.3 seconds, and the top speed is limited to 260 km per hour. Special cars need special rims and tires. The Huracán Sterrato by MANSORY is therefore equipped with F0.6 type rims in 8.5 by 19 and 11 by 19 rim sizes, with high-performance off-road tires in sizes 235/40 R19 and 285/40 R19. This combination gives the car a perfect balance for sporty driving on and off-road. The interior of the Huracán Sterrato by MANSORY can be freely chosen by the customer and configured according to his wishes, and can be realized by MANSORY in any type and scope, from classic to a complete conversion.